Today we're doing the last part of our series on easy barbecue food. So today it's going to be burgers. So we're going to be cooking those. It's going to be rump burgers that I'm going to do, which are some burgers which I've had before, which are really nice. You can get them at your butchers. If you look around you can find them. If not, then just go with normal burgers, Aberdeen Angus burgers, something like that. There's plenty of great tasting burgers out there to try. So without ado, let's crack on and start cooking some of these burgers up. Okay, so we're just going to go into light the Kamado. Pop that back in. Now I've got a little bit of well, say two goes, so I've got a heat deflector in there. Not sure if you can see that, but there's a heat stone or half a heat deflector plate in there, which I'm going to use so that I can actually cook the burgers on one side and then transfer them to the other. Okay, so we've got some pickles in there which I've chopped up, quite not too fine, but you can see how much I've chopped them up. Now to that we're going to put some mayonnaise in. Now for this I'm going to put in probably a couple of teaspoons. Like that. Mix that in. And then to that we're just going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. Well, tomato ketchup sauce. And we're probably only going to do about one of those. So, about that much. Not too much of that. We don't want the tomato sauce overpowering the mayonnaise. So that's about right. Now what you can do if you want to sweeten this up a little bit, you can drop a little tiny bit of sugar in there if you want. I like the acidity of it, so I'm going to leave that as it is. Now while we're waiting for the Kamado to come up to temperature, we're going to prep up a few things. I've already prepped up the onions, which I'm going to cook. We've got some lettuce and some of our tomatoes there, which I've cut up already. They're all ready to go. And we've got our cheese here, which is Monterey. Let's say that again. Monterey Jack. Which is it's quite a creamy cheese, but it's absolutely lovely on burgers. So we're going to use this today. So I'm going to cut this now, and we'll crack on from there. Right, so I need to cook up some of our bacon, what we're going to put on. So I'm going to get that little skillet up to temperature, cook some of the streaky bacon on there, and we're also going to do our onions on there as well before we actually cook the burgers. So it's all about prepping first. So we'll let this come up to temperature, which won't take long, and we'll go from there. Okay, burger time. There's our burgers, lovely rump burgers. What I'm going to do is just going to push down in the middle of those. And what that will do is it will help to keep the burger flat once we flip them over. There won't be a great big hump in the middle. Now we're looking to get these burgers to a cook temperature internal of 160 Fahrenheit or 71 Celsius. That's what we're looking for. We're going to give these about 3 or 4 minutes either side, flick them over, and then carry on. So it's probably cook temperature, total time of cooking probably about 7 or 8 minutes.